Back at you with another video from 80s Nut. Well, I want to show you. I moved the carpet because I'm trying to get rid of obviously this nasty ass carpet. And check this out. Check this out. There is a swarm of ants. There's a swarm of ants. Look at that. Inside the car. I mean, there's literally millions, thousands, maybe millions of ants. Underneath the carpet, the entire floorboard is covered with ants. And I gotta tell you how bad this smells. It doesn't just smell like it looks. I mean, it looks bad, right? This shaggy carpet. It actually smells worse. It smells like an old 70s apartment complex. That's what it smells like. Anyway, I pulled the green off of the steering wheel. I gotta clean the steering wheel up. And anyway, I gotta clean this up and I will be back.